Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today I discuss computer. Know the computer system. This is of your chapter. This is a know your computer system. Chapter 1, class 3. Today I discuss this topic, features of computer. Features of computer. My dear students, first of all, I discuss working of the computer system. This is the feature means working of the computer system. Also involved. Working of the computer system is much more similar to working of human being. I accept, yes or no, I don't know, but this is the true sentence. The working of the computer system is very much similar to the working of human being. This is of your brain. The brain just like to the computer. Suppose you go to the cinema hall and your brain watch to the every step by step. Just computer you put to the data, the computer is always time process the every such type of the data. So a human brain works after taking the instruction through sense like ears and eye. Obviously, you go to the cinema hall, ear open, eye open. They always time watch the movie, just like to the computer. Computer also take to the input of a problem through device like keyboard, mouse, etc. The process in its brain is called CPU. Everybody remember what is the CPU? What is the brain of computer? Brain of computer, CPU, Central Processing Unit. This is the CPU. I am human. My CPU is my brain, and computer CPU, computer brain, CPU. And give to the IPO cycle. IPO cycle, IPO. IPO is not related to computer, but every stage, every time implement. My dear students, I means input. I means input. P means process. Or O means output. Every student agree in my sentence. Input. I again repeat, computer brain is called CPU, and these all type of the working style is working cycle is called to the IPO cycle. IPO. Suppose you go to the school, yeah, you go to the cinema hall. The filmmaker design the film, best background music, best image, best theme, everywhere look. The filmmaker put to the every such type of picture, image, and so. And then after to the process. and then after to the input. You go to the cinema hall. Your eye open, ear open, your brain is all the time open. Input, saw this movie, and this movie is go to the brain, and the brain is all the time process. Every sentence, every scene is the process, and you come out in the cinema hall. Wow, this is a fantastic movie. This is the IPO cycle. I hope every student agree. Again, CPU. Again repeat, brain of computer is called CPU. This is the important part of the computer. CPU is the three main component. CPU is the three main component. First, ALU, MU and CU. Every student remember ALU, arithmetic logical unit. CU control unit. MU memory unit. This is the component of the CPU. Arithmetic and logic unit. This unit perform all mathematical and logical operation. All mathematical and logical operations. Suppose I give the example. You go to the hospital and any patient make to the surgery. You go to the surgeon, a specialist. You go to the surgeon doctor, not go to the general physician. So just like to the arithmetic logic unit perform to the all type of the mathematical and logical operation. Second, CU control. This unit help to coordinate the working of various part of computer. Yes, control the various part of the computer. I again example. You go to the school, so many students are not operant. The teacher is always time control. This is just like to the control unit CU. Now what is the MU? You go to the cinema hall and watch the movie. The brain is always time stored in this all such type of data, just like computer is always time stored to the data. So this unit mainly stored to the data. This is the memory unit, and all our features of computer are completed in this session. Thank you, student.